Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to DVCon Europe 2022. Isn't it amazing that after so many adverse situations, last 3 years we have seen COVID, lockdowns, and then travel restrictions, then we have seen chip shortage and whatnot. Now economic crisis and cost cutting in different companies, but we all have finally managed to assemble here for DVCon Europe 2022. So I think we all deserve a great, huge round of applause for ourselves. So we all are very excited to meet face to face after 3 years of this gap, and we have compiled a great program for next 2 days, which we will run through very shortly. My name is Sumit Jha, and I work in Qualcomm, Ireland. And for the second year, this year, I am also serving as the General Chair for DVCon Europe 2022 Steering Committee. First of all, we would like to thank our conference sponsors, Accelera System Initiative, which is driving this conference, and Accelera Global sponsors, Cadence, Siemens, and Synopsys. Thank you for sponsoring our conference. A big thank you to our gold sponsor, MEQ EDA, and silver sponsors, Cadence, Real Intent, Synopsys, Circuit Sutra, Siemens, Sigasi, and Variest. Our academic sponsor, Qualcomm, Best Paper Award, MEQ EDA, and promotion sponsor, Chipwright and Agnesys. So let's get started. What's new this year? We have seen a little bit trend around hardware, software, code debugging topics, around simulation and emulation coexistent. In addition of the usual verification and design topic like UVM, formal verification for functional safety, RISC-V verification, machine learning, and many more. And why would we recommend attending DVCon Europe? I think this is the only conference for design and verification community for us, and the theme we live here like is for users by users. We promote knowledge sharing, networking, and recognition through this conference, and we also bring the European, now not only just European, just beyond, it's very much global now, design and verification community together, sharing our best practices, lesson learned, EDA standards, methodologies, and flows, and following industry trends, what's new happening in different sectors like automotive, industrial, mobile, and connectivity. And I would also like to announce that very soon now it is 370 registrations this year, which is pretty much a very good number, seeing all the conditions which I just talked about. And these 370 attendees are coming from 115 affiliations and organizations across 36 different countries. And that's amazing. That really shows that DVCon Europe is really going global. And for that, I would like to thank my steering committee. Steering committee, as you can see, situated in different parts of Europe and UK, even though working the whole year remotely, but we really bring together this conference every year. There's a lot of hard work goes in the background. So thanks a lot for our team members for all the hard work. Networking. So thankfully, we are in real sitting here and talking to each other this year after 2 years of connecting through avatars. I think this is much more convenient. So please make use, please make best use of this. I think we appreciate this much more than ever. We also have our social media channels which are very active on LinkedIn and Twitter. So please share your thoughts and your experiences from DVCon Europe. And I would also like to invite all of you in the reception, which will happen in the evening in Global Saal at 5:30 p.m. And we will have a fun time there as well. Now I would like to hand over to Stephen Garth, who is our tutorial chair for DVCon Europe 2022 Steering Committee. Thank you.
Thanks, Sammy, for the introduction, and I welcome everyone else to this year's tutorial day. And we are looking forward to 15 tutorials highlighting the advances of design verification from a user, academic and industry point of view. And of course, this covers a lot of topics from standardization updates to industry-proven best practices. And especially this year's iteration highlights advantages in AI-driven verification approaches and on how to improve the rate of automation even further. But also updates in established technologies are represented as well. So make good choices and enjoy our broad selection of topics. And also especially thanks to our tutorial sponsors, Synopsys, Real Intent, Massworks, Siemens, Segasi, Optima, and Cadence. Thanks.
Thanks, Stephen. And we would also like to welcome our exhibitors. All these different companies really support our conference every year, and we really appreciate that. This year we have exhibit booths from Cadence, Real Intent, Synopsys, LDEC, Veriest, J Design Automation, Luby CDA, Scientific Analog, Segasi, Fraunhofer, Circuit Sutra, Siemens, Optima, S2C, MEQ EDA, MathWorks, and Every Design Systems. So these exhibit booths are located in the exhibit hall, and those are now set up for you to visit. There are very interesting solutions, technological innovations they are going to share with us, what they have to offer, and to improve the overall design verification innovations. So please, I would encourage that you can visit the exhibit hall and also interact with the exhibitors. Great thanks to our media sponsors as well. The whole year they cover pretty much what is happening in the background, how the abstract submissions are going in, and how this year's conference is going to look like, what is coming new. So they share a lot of stories. And for that, we would like to thank EDA Cafe, EE News Europe, Electronic I Norden, News Electronics, and Tech Design Forum. As we know, System C Evolution Day is also our co-located event, which will happen on the third day, December 8th. And registrations are, I think, still open, so we can still register if we are still missing that. This is a great event which happens, this like add-on benefit of visiting Munich for DVCon Europe. You also get one more additional conference to attend, which is System C Evolution Day. For that, we would like to thank our sponsors, Cadence, Siemens, and Synopsys, for sponsoring this event. Now, let's take a look at the keynotes for this year. We have 2 keynotes for 2 days, and I'm going in reverse order. So tomorrow, we'll hear a keynote from Magnus Oisberg, who is Chief Software Officer at Mercedes-Benz, on the topic developing chip-to-cloud architecture for the most desirable cars. Very interesting topic and looking forward to it. And today, soon after this, we'll hear from Axel Janke from Nokia on the topic challenges in SoC verification for 5G and beyond. So, all I'm saying, if I'm saying anything, is welcome and enjoy DVCon Europe. With this, I would like to hand over to Oliver Bell, who is our program management chair, to lead us to the next section of the program, which is keynote. Thank you.